You hit my car. Yes, you did. Look, come outside. YouTube, man, what's going on? Hope y'all can hear me. Early as in the morning, it's like 8, 9, something. My shit is officially dead. My car has officially gave up on me. This bill will not turn on. Let me show y'all. Look at this. Try to look. Foot on the brake and tap on this. All right, watch this. Y'all hear it? It is so dead. That shit is so dead, cuz. My car is dead. Shit. Y'all hear that shit? That shit is so dead, cuz. I don't want to keep playing with that shit. It was gonna kill it. This shit about dead as fuck. I need to jump right now because this shit is embarrassing. This is crazy. Y'all heard that? That bitch dead as hell, cuz.
1 hour later.
Oh, bro, my car just fucking died right here and on the road, bro. Like, my shit ran out of gas, fam. Because all the gas stations got no gas, bro. So my shit ran out of fucking gas. Look what the bitch say. Low fuel, cuz. Low fuel. I have no gas right now, bro, and I'm stuck. Now this bitch wanna come behind me, bro. If Tro get behind me, it's over, bro. Go around, bro. Go around. You obviously see I cannot move, bro. I got my emergency signals on. People be so stupid. I got my shit on, bro. Why are you staying behind me for? Idiot. Move. Look, she coming closer, like, move. Bro, I'm already mad, bro, because ain't no gas. I've been trying to look for gas. I can't find no gas, bro. Now, you already know from the last video, it's not even May 4th yet, so my shit still suspended. If police get behind me, it's over. They finna tow my car. I'm getting arrested, bro. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. It's over, y'all boys, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Fuck. I'm so fucked. This bitch will not move, bro. It's not moving. It's dead. That shit dead. Go around. The fuck? Bitches be stupid, bro. I'm gonna keep honking them. Keep honking them. I don't give a fuck. Keep honking them. Yeah, thank you, Challenger. Dumbass. Bro, she done hit my car. This bitch done hit my car, bro. Hold up, yo. You hit my car, bruh.
I did not.
Yes, you did, bruh. Bro, yes, you did, bro. Come on, bro. Why you hit my car for, bruh? You hit my car. Yes, you did.
Show me a ticket.
Look, come outside. Come out, bro. She done hit my car, bro. What is going on, bruh? The fuck going on?
I did not.
Yes, you did hit my car. You hit my car.
Where?
Right here. This is you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is you, bruh.
Well, what do you want me to do?
What do you mean what I want you to do, bro? This is fucked up, dog. Damn. This bitch done hit my car, cuz. What the fuck? Man, this is crazy, bro.
Well, I'm taking a picture of it right now. And I'm
This
happy
is
to take care of
crazy, bro. Let me get my phone, bruh. This is crazy. Bro, my car is dead. I try to tell you to go around. God fucking damn it, bro.
Here's my number. Took a picture.
Fuck. Damn it, bro. Damn it, bro. Bro, babe, bro. This bitch done smacked my car, bro. Damn,
It's
bro.
What are you talking about? It's not even a fucking dent. Here, it's my phone.
Nigga, you hit my car. What are you talking about, bro?
Just took a picture
It
of
don't
me.
fucking matter, bro. What the
I'm
fuck, dog?
happy to take care of it.
Come
I'll
on,
do
bro. That
whatever you
shit
need.
green as fuck. Bro. I try to tell you to move over, bro.
The lady was the honking.
God damn it, bro. Ain't nobody never touched this fucking car. Now this bitch wanna hit my car, bro.
Let's calm down. What can I do? The lady behind me was honking her fucking horn, blaring her horn at me. Okay? What would you like me to do? Can I help you? Do you need gas? What do you need? How can I help you? Can I help you?
Yes, bro.
What can I do for you? Is your car dead? It doesn't have gas?
Huh?
It doesn't have gas?
No, we don't have gas,
okay,
bro.
can we leave it and go get gas for you?
Oh my
Can
God,
I help you out?
bro.
I'm trying to find, everybody's trying to find gas. Do you want to keep my number and I'll go look for gas for you?
Bro, this
What's
is
your
crazy,
phone
bro.
number?
561.
I'm going to call you, okay?
Are you sure? Hold on. Let me call your number and make sure it's the right
here's my
number.
number.
Let me call real quick.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
go
call you
ahead.
back, bro. Let me call, bro. This is crazy, bro. Hey, bro, YouTube, bro. Like, I understand, dog. It was a small ass accident. It was nothing major. But you have to understand, if somebody smack your car, bro, that you love a lot, bro, even if they smack the car and there's no dent, that bitch still throw you off though. Like, damn, the bitch don't smack my whip, you feel me? That's why I was tripping, bro. I don't care if the bill would have smacked my car and I ain't see nothing on the car. It's still the fact that you tapped the car, made my car shake. Like, I felt the tap. Y'all can see in the video, bro. Like, you could hear the tap and I felt that bitch. So I'm like, whoa, what the hell? So that's why I snapped, bro. So I don't want y'all to be like, man, you over here getting loud with that lady over that little behind. Man, I don't give a fuck. It's my car. It's my car. It's not your car. You're gonna say that because it's not your car. But trust me, if somebody would have hit your car and then would have scraped some paint off that bitch, you would have got mad. I don't care what you say. Fuck you if you don't fuck with it, nigga. Fuck is you talking about, nigga?
I get it. Why would I say all these things that have you feeling away? Why would I tell you I'm 30 away if I'm not on the way? I lost my way. I'm searching to say to you, oh please give me time, cause I'm searching. Redemption's on your mind when you think about me. Yeah. Bring your mouth. I'd rather listen to someone else. I give your nickname to someone else. I used to know you back when you was gone. Your brother brought me through, you saw me. I'm gonna go take a nap from me. My little ruler keeper got my family and bitch won't come for me. Maybe she gon' forever be with me, I just gotta hang with her. You feel like this is a chance, my time, so I feel what I'm getting on time. I say as well, I touch to the good, I'ma let it go forever. I'm the man you need, you better be special. To you make me feel like I should prove. You know that I love you, I believe you love me when I don't prove. You ain't really fuck with me, saying this shit like kids some more. Say my prayers, I know I'm protected since I walk in. Say me like that, I'm the one that they don't wanna see when I burn for your love like a touchdown. Baby girl, you good, it's just us now. A man, woman, need they rich. I feel it, I had to go out for the kid. I said if I come right back, I have my ass, I take the beat. Crossroads, that shit gon' cost all of. Whenever I go, just make sure you don't fall from. If I had you to be with me, you don't wanna be with a nigga who would provide you with it. You lied to my face and straight up my soul. Wanna take it all back to where it started. Life blood inside your keys. Used to watch my cousin inside the scene. Now a young nigga walk on me. Still put on nose all night. Shoot 3 doses for the night. Put in your hold them hoes, my money on roll. Turn this text invasion. Man, his eyes up all night. Comfort thing. You should really listen. It was all mine. Wasn't thinking about that shit while I'm falling. And I don't need no church, man, I'm listening. Right now I'm recording with the mic sticking in my head. All the wrong stops and the shot toss are unjudgmental. These 2-4 white by the M up, they left my name.